The meal plan creator can be used to make custom meal plans and sample diets for your clients. To access the meal plan creator, select a client or create a new client and click the plus button beside meal plans. You can create a new meal plan from scratch or use an existing meal plan as a template. In the meal plan creator, you search for foods on the left side and the meal plan workspace to the right. To get started, name your meal plan and choose the nutrients you want to include from the drop-down menu at the top. Note that if you intend to print the meal plan, a maximum of 5 nutrient monitors will fit on an A4 page. Search for foods and recipes using the search bar. Click on the food and click Insert to add it to the meal plan. Enter a portion size and provide a simple measure for your client. You can rename foods and give each meal a title if you wish. Meal subtotals and the overall plan totals are automatically calculated as you work. When you are finished with your first meal, click the Add Meal button to create the next meal. Note that any food entered will be automatically added to the newest meal available, but you can rearrange foods using the numbers on the left of the meal. You can also move the entire meal to a new position or choose to merge meals together by changing the number on the meal title line. You can also import saved recipes to a meal plan. You can choose if you want to import all the ingredients or if you just want the recipe title with the nutrient totals. You can attach your newly created meal plan as a template to another client profile by clicking here. The nutrient targets will update when attached to a new client. You can also export to Excel, PDF, or email. The export menu also provides the option to transfer your meal plan to a diet log or report so that you can review the complete nutritional information. So that's it. If you need further assistance, check out the user manual or email us at support@nutritics.com.